Hello guys, welcome back to Stranger, and in this video we are going to see how to connect Samba server from our iOS devices. So first of all you have to go to files and at three dots you have to click, and here you get an option connect to server, and at connect to server you have to copy one command like type smb semicolon slash slash, and now you have to put your ubuntu server IP address. So for IP address you have to go to ubuntu server and type command ifconfig. So I have here a screenshot of my ubuntu server. So in enp2s0 I got a inet, and here we have IP 192.168.1.102. So I will go to back to here and type 192.168.1.102, and now click on connect. We will go for the registered user, and for name we have to type a ubuntu server username, and for password you have to type your Samba Share password that you have created. So for password I will now click here and click on next. As you can see, now we have successfully connected to the Samba Share server. So now we have created this standard folder at last video. So now let's go into that and in media, and as you can see there is a one png file of neko.png as we have created in the last videos, and from second last video we have copied the new file like screenshot.png. So it's basically that. I hope that you know how to connect Samba Share server from iOS devices. I hope that you like this video. So that's it for today guys. Thank you.